Alright, so now we're going to start working on the border. Your first row will be a single crochet, and you just have to evenly place single crochets throughout the half hexagons and then into each stitch, and then the corners you want to place 2 single crochet, and then this is going to be like a chevron, so you put 3 in the top of the corner and then you single crochet 2 together down here, and then since this is another corner you're going to do 2 single crochet. So I will get started here. So we're going to start by attaching our yarn to this corner, and it does matter which direction you go because you will see here. You'll attach it, and if you go this way, then your single crochets are upside down. Can you see that? So I started on the wrong corner. Let's start this way. So hopefully, sorry, start here. So we're going to attach our yarn into the top of the chain 3. Using a slip stitch. Chain 1. And then single crochet across here. Sorry, my yarn is rolling all over here. Alright, now that we are to this V, we are going to insert a hook through the chain 2, pull up a loop, insert your hook in the other chain 2, and pull up a loop, and pull through all 3 loops. Now, as you can see, there's kind of this gap, but at the end you can actually sew these strings and it should lay flat. That's what I did with my blanket. Alright. And then we will single crochet to the top, and I'll meet you there. So I did 14 single crochets up this side, and then I'm going to do 3 in this middle for the top. 1, 2, 3. And then I will go back down this other side and I'll put 2 in this corner. So I will see you back down there. So I finished the row of single crochets around the edge. Remember, this is just a test square that I'm working on, so you'll have more V's and peaks to do. So now we're going to do the half double crochet. I'm going to show you how to do that down these falls and rises here. So just make sure you put 2 double crochet in each corner, or else your corners will curl. So I need to slip stitch to the first one. Chain 2, because it's a half double crochet, and into that same stitch we're going to do a half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And we are going to half double crochet these two together. So yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through all 5 loops. And then continue your half double crochet up the side, and we're going to put 3 half double crochet into the middle single crochet at the top. So I did 15 half double crochets up this side, and then I will do 3 half double crochets into the center. 1, 2, 3, and then I'll go back down the side with half double crochets, and I will put 2 double crochets or half double crochets into the corner right here. So that's 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. Need more yarn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and then in number 15 we're going to put 2 half double crochets in that corner. 1, 2, and then you are going to half double crochet around just like we did here. And I will come back and we will start with the bobble stitch. So I just finished the half double crochet row, and you'll need 3 full rows of half double crochet. And now we're going to start the bobble. This is how I did it on my blanket. So here we are at the corner, and let's see here. We are going to start with the bobble in the corner, so we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. So you have 3 hoops on your hook. Yarn over in that same space, pull up a hook. So now you have 5 loops on your hook. Make sure you keep that nice and high here. Yarn over one more time, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on your hook. You pull through all 7, yarn over, pull through 1, and then you'll see the next space. You slip stitch, and there is your first bobble. So we're going to put our hook into our space, yarn over in that same space, pull it up a loop. So we have 4 loops, 6 loops, and 7, and pull through all 7 loops. Chain 1, pull through, slip stitch. We have 2 bobbles. So we're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through all 7, pull through the next loop, and slip stitch. So I will continue this. You can watch me here. Boop. Or watch me fail. They can be kind of tricky. Alright, got it through. Slip stitch, do a pup. See, we're down in our corner. We just keep going. Every other one. Slip stitch. Insert hook into loop. Pull up a loop. Pull up a loop. Pull up a loop. And one more. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on our hook and slip stitch. So I think the first time I had 7, but I pull up 5 times. So the first one's a little bit small, but I pull up till I have 10 on my hook. So I'll do that one more time for you. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, 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 pull up your last loop, and you should have 10 on there. Pull through all 10, slip, single crochet, chain, and slip stitch into the next stitch. And that is the bobble stitch. So I hope you enjoy this video tutorial. Remember, you do 1 single crochet, 3 rows of half double, and then you do your puff stitch like shown here.